What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Moto E5 Play on Boost Mobile. Got some specs in the front here. It says here we got a 5.2-inch HD display. See if we can get that to focus. HD display here. It says talk time of 21.5 hours, 16 gigs of internal storage. Get 2 gigs of RAM. You get a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor. I believe this is the Snapdragon 427. So if you look at the back of the box here, it says it has splash proof protection. You got a 2,800 milliamp hour battery. You got Android 8.0, I believe. You have an 8 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel front camera, and I believe those both have LED flashes. Basically, this phone isn't necessarily a huge spec upgrade, but you do get Android 8.0. You get a little bit of a bigger screen. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this here. And we all know about the unboxing struggles with the Boost Mobile boxes now. So we're just going to go ahead and just shred this whole part off because I don't have time. It's like some super strong adhesive that they use, and it works. So here it is, the Motorola E5 Play here. You see the box itself is really nice, looking like a two-tone orange. It's more along the lines of the Boost Mobile colors, which is kind of interesting. Cha-ching! Blade here. We gotta get this little tape on the sides because I ain't got time to be trying to rip it. Whoops. And exactly as I said, we ain't got time to be trying to rip it. Looks what happened. Kids, be careful with knives. They're very dangerous. Whoops. Didn't mean to turn the X lights on. Alright. So, get this open here. So, of course, the first thing you see is the Moto E5 Play here. It does have micro USB for the charge in there. You got your headphone jack on the top, noise canceling mic. As I said, 8 megapixel camera in the back with LED flash. Has a similar design language as far as how the cameras look to the G6 Play. You can tell there. This is a plastic body here, so I believe the back cover has to come off. The screen itself is already a noticeable difference. The E4 had a 5-inch screen. This has a 5.2-inch screen, so it's a little bit bigger. So a little bit more screen real estate there, already making the comparisons. It says it has an advanced camera. I'm not sure what the hell that means. We're gonna find out what that means or what they mean by that. We got the charging cable here, and like I said, it's a micro USB charging cable. You got your black brick here. It's not as big as the Motorola E4's brick, and it doesn't have quick charge neither. Here's the battery. Here's the little tiny book that they give you. So let's go ahead and close this box back up here. Pretty excited, only because the phone does have a little bit bigger screen, and this is pretty much the Motorola E4 with 8.0. It's not a huge upgrade. Slightly bigger screen, Android 8.0, and for what they're saying here, an advanced camera. We have to see what the Moto guy thinks of that. So let me go ahead and pause the video. I'm gonna get the battery in the phone, get it set up with some applications, and I'll be right back to let you guys know my first impressions or first look and how the phone feels with its first boot up. So I'll be right back. Deuces. What's up, everybody? I'm back here. I got everything installed on the phone. I installed over 94 apps here, and pretty much everything is now installed. Out the box, the phone came with about 10 gigabytes of storage, and I got about 5.2 gigabytes free, which is pretty good in my opinion after all the apps I installed. So now what I got to do is go ahead and log into the accounts and see how this phone is actually working. So of course I was experiencing some lag issues here between installing the applications and trying to add emails and whatnot, but that's to go to be expected here. But overall, the phone itself feels like it's going to be a pretty good experience. I'm pretty excited, because it's a new phone, has Android 8.0, and so we're going to see if this phone is actually worth the money as opposed to getting the Motorola E4, if that's still available on Boost Mobile, and it'll probably be available at a cheaper price. So as far as the first look here, I can say that the battery itself started at about 54% and it went down to 36%, and that was between about 20 minutes, I would say. It took for everything to get installed. I got my Boost Mobile line activated here, in case you didn't know. I'm back on Boost Mobile, video coming to that pretty soon. I got the Boost Mobile line in this phone here, so I'm going to be taking it with me when I actually get ready to go to work tomorrow. Going to be testing out the camera as well. You pretty much know how I get down with my videos here on my new phones. So leave a comment if you guys have any questions here. If you want to see anything in particular here with the Motorola E5 Play, let me know. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is public or made public to the channel or is uploaded, you'll have access to it right away. To end the video off here, I want to say thank you, of course, for watching. My name is Max the Rock, and you have a good day. Deuces.